I don't know the point of life, or why every night I don't just die, but I'm here today. I survived, and I'm here to say that I'm alive. I don't do rap music, I don't even do hip-hop. I do the type of shit that makes your head bob and your jaw drop, makes your head explode, mind shrivel up and implode. So don't step to me, homie boy, not when I'm in the zone. It's like I'm in autopilot mode. My flow is more complicated than the Da Vinci Code, and I'm been rapping and dissing these bitches, gripping, I'm tripping, I'm not just hitting, I'm dissing, and I be spitting and killing, just messing and pressing and never resting. So don't intercede with the might of WLC, despite the plead, oh please stop making me bleed. I did not mean to make it seem like I'm better than everyone at everything. That is the last thing I'd want you to believe. Oh shut the fuck up, there's no need for you to be acting this way. One day you will see, you won't hesitate to grab your neck, give it a little squeeze, and slit your throat brutally. So basically, just don't fuck with me, because I don't know the point of life, or why every night I don't just die, but I'm here today. I survived, and I'm here to say that I'm alive. I'm not the type of person that will flip you off secretly. I'm the type of individual that will flip the bird to your face and tell you not to fucking speak to me, not even half thought about you and saying it discreetly. I'm betting that once it comes down to it, you won't be stepping. I reckon you get wind of the doors, but knocked off its hinges, don't come away. I'm exploding and you'll get blown away. You can never miss his despicable wits to hit this shit. His mind is rushing like a blitz, about to be blown to bits, cause he's shown what fits into his hatred. Locked down in his basement, given a possible placement as a hospital patient. He's starving and is so weak, cause he's nothing to eat for weeks. His bones carving his skin from his head to his feet. His memory's faded. He'd call for help, but he's too dehydrated to speak. I don't know the point of life, or why every night I don't just die, but I'm here today. I survived, and I'm here to say that I'm alive. Alright, look, quit acting stupid. Your brain has too many dead cells, not like it matters shit, you don't even use it. Every day you walk down the hallway you can hear whispers. What a dumbass kid. They don't even give you a chance to fix it. Riley, quit acting so damn inappropriate. Shut the fuck up, I'm not gonna take the shit. Every day you complain about what life is, but it's not life that you should be questioning. It's your own self, so go ahead and ask around. It could be worse, you could be left alone with the bottle of liquor for your stars to drown. Tomorrow's my downfall, I'll borrow a frown and lift myself up to make it around. Be a part of the crowd, I'm making it sound so much better than it really is. Life is at its chilliest, and it's not warming up for any renegade that claims he can make it. I don't know the point of life, or why every night I don't just die, but I'm here today. I survived, and I'm here to say that